Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to uninstall Windows 11 version 25H2 to roll back to 24H2. So Windows 11 version 25H2 and version 24H2 are virtually identical versions. So if you have an issue with the newer release, you're probably going to have the same issue if you roll back to the older version. But if you still want to roll back, this is what you do. Okay, first open Start and look for Settings. Now let's go to Windows Update. From here, go to Update History. At the bottom of this page, click on Uninstall Updates. Now, since both version 25H2 and 24H2 are the same operating system, you only need to uninstall the enabling package in order to roll back to the previous version. And in this case, we need to uninstall this update. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, the KV number and the actual naming may be a little bit different. However, it will show up as a feature enablement. And then we just need to click the Uninstall button. Now just click Uninstall. Now just click the Restart Now button. Now to confirm, just open Start, go to Settings, go to System, About, and then under Windows Specifications, you will see that version is now 24H2. And that's it. That is how you uninstall version 25H2 to roll back to 24H2 on your computer. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.